Welcome, here I've got OPPO Reno4 and I'm gonna show you how to use the camera pro mode at this device. So at first we have to tap on the camera button here to open it, and for now we are in the standard photo mode. Let's change it by using this settings bar and just simply going to the right to more. Here we have access to other modes of this camera. Now let's focus on the Pro, call it also as an expert mode here. So when we pick this, we get access to it, and this mode gives us possibilities to choose shooting parameters by ourselves. This is useful when we want to learn photographic skills or making experiments with photography. So let me start with this settings bar here. Let's go from the right. The first one button here is the exposure compensation, so we can manage the light of the picture. As you can see, we have access to this slider. By going to the right, we can make our picture just more bright, or by going to the left, we can make it more dark. As you can see, this is how it works. And at the center here, we have 0 and 0 parameters, so these are the auto exposure compensation settings. Now let's go to the next one button. Here we have the focusing. Now it's autofocus. By using this slider, we can change it to the manual focus, and we can focusing like that as we need. And here, to go back to the autofocus, we have to just simply tap on this A letter icon here. So manual focus changes to the autofocus now. Now let's move to this button at the center. This is the white balance. So here we can control the temperature of our picture in Kelvin degrees. And by using this slider going to the right, we can make our photo just more warm. By going to the left, we can make it more cold. As you can see, this is how it changes here. And to go back to the auto white balance, we have to just simply tap again on this A letter here. Now let's go to the next one button here. This is the shutter speed, so we can change the time of taking picture. As you can see, by using this slider, we can manage this. We can pick from 1 and 8,000 of seconds, so this is really short time of taking photo. This should be better to objects that are in move, to frozen them. When we go to the right, we can make our time just much longer, to the 32 seconds, so this is really long time. This should be better to objects that are stable. And to go back to the auto shutter speed, let's tap on this A letter icon once again. So it goes back to the auto settings. And now let's go to the last one button. Here we have the ISO, so we can control the camera's sensitivity to light. We can make it less sensitive by using the slider from 100 or more sensitive to 6 and 4,000 of it. So this is really wide spectrum of ISO, and this is kind of really pro settings here. To go back to the auto ISO, we have to just simply tap on A letter here once again. And this is how it works. Now let me manage all of these settings and take a picture. So for example, let me stay on ISO maybe 600, the shutter speed maybe 1 and 300 of seconds, white balance a little bit warmer. The autofocus, maybe let's stay here on the auto settings, and with the exposure compensation we can make it just more bright. So let me take a photo. To see it, we have to go here to the left corner at the bottom, to this icon, and this is my picture. So that's all, thanks for watching, subscribe my channel and leave the thumbs up.